Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. On today's video, guys, I'm coming with some laundry motivation. And before we start with actually doing the laundry, I am going to be cleaning this place where my machine stays. It used to be a toilet room, but I've changed it to be a laundry room, sort of. It's too small, so I was just showing you quickly how dirty it was. I tried to open this place to clean and take out the dirty water, as the instructions on the machine says that you must take it out the water there. I'm not sure how often, but I must say I don't do according to what they say, but I think you must do it maybe once a month, if I'm not mistaken, just to take it out the dirty water there and clean your machine, because there is water that sits under there. Yeah, so I was just quickly cleaning at back and just thorough cleaning that place. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you everything because it was just too small. I couldn't even record. I tried, but I couldn't. Yeah, I was finished here, and also bought a new product, which is a Dr. Beckmann Service It at Take a Lot. So I just wanted to thoroughly clean my machine. I do sometimes clean my machine with bicarbonate of soda with vinegar, but I just wanted something new and try this one, and I'm happy with how it actually cleaned my machine. I think it was 50 something rand at Take a Lot, if I'm not mistaken, but you can check it out. Yeah, it says it promotes a long lifespan of your machine. It removes dirt, lime scales, maintains rubber and metal parts and all that. Yeah, all that good stuff. You can just give it a try and see how it will work in your machine. I didn't really follow the instructions because I just want to use it maybe twice, not once as it says. Yeah, so I just put water, as you can see, water inside, and I clean the sides of my machine and took it out the parts and clean proper everywhere inside. Okay guys, please do follow around. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video again. I'm a mom of two. We are a family of four. We happen to have so much laundry, so this is an extreme laundry motivation. I don't know how I came out to have so much laundry on this week. You know what, I always have too much laundry, but on this particular week I had too much laundry, maybe because the previous week I was kind of like busy with other things, maybe that's why. So yeah guys, please do follow around. I'll talk now and then.
I try to figure out who I am, not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And for you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would.
So here I finished cleaning my machine all around, inside and out. So now I'm just adding more water so I can run it empty with no clothes for about 20 minutes on high speed. Yeah, and then after that take it out the water. Then we're starting now to separate our washing. I think I had about 6 loads of washing, but I was able to wash 5. The last one I watched the following day. The weather was not so good, and also the folding part, I will not be finishing it on this video. Maybe there will be a separate video for that, because yeah, you know what, as we show this whatever I'm showing right now, there's also a lot of other things that I'm doing on the same day, like cleaning the house, cooking and stuff. So yeah, I try, but I hope you get some motivation by watching this video to do any part of the work in your house. Or let me know what you do when you watch this video, whether you get motivated to do your next task, or whether you wash with me, you clean with me. Just let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, now I'm just quickly taking out the water. Now that's the dirty water. Finish washing the machine, and yeah, finish also separating all the clothes. I will be starting with the black clothes majority of the time. Now I start with the black, as the more the water runs through my pipes, the cleaner the water comes, because I did tell you on my previous video that I happen to have a problem with my pipes. They are rusted. Okay guys, so on this week, right, I'm trying Ariel 3-in-1 pots, which I'm really happy with. With the downy, it smells so good. Yeah, and I like the fact that I don't need to use fabric softener. Right now I'm just applying handy where there's like tough stains on the knee of my son's trouser. This is not my idea. I took it from one of the sisters here on YouTube. I will write her name down. Yeah, she said it works, so I was just trying. I've seen it about months back, but I just recently saw her doing it again. I said, okay, let me give it a try. Yeah, you know what, I cannot say it's not working. I really cannot say that, because this is a very old trouser, but I think it did do some work. Yeah, and for my son's clothes, I am using Surf, just because I feel like Surf, it's still like a strong detergent to really clean his clothes, since his clothes, they do get more dirty than our clothes. Just quickly putting vinegar. I put also a bicarbonate of soda, and I'm also gonna put fabric softener, guys. Okay guys, please carry on. Let's carry on washing. And another product that we are trying on today, it's this Glowhite, also by Dr. Beckmann. I'm happy with it also. At the same time, my clothes, my white clothes that were already like white, like they came out perfect, so I'm happy with this. I did buy this though at Checkers. I don't know about the servicing it, whether you can get it at Checkers, but this Glowhite, I did get it at Checkers. Okay guys, this is where I'm just gonna end talking. I do hope this video will give you some tons of motivation, and we will carry on with our laundry on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking in. Please do not forget to give the video like, and do share my video, please, and motivate other ladies to get it all done, yeah, with me. Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.